Today you're going to learn the simplest way of making soda soap at the comfort of your home. The easiest way, it is strong, it is foamy, and it lasts long. So grab your pen and paper because you will need it. Okay. You're welcome to my channel. This is Galloz DIY. So please, if you are new here, you're welcome. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends and loved ones. This type of soda soap is a type of soap that you can start with as little as 20,000 and you make profit from it. Okay, so just pay attention, don't skip any video, watch to the end because I know you're going to learn something new from it. Even though you've known how to make soda soap, there will be a difference from this. So sit tight and watch to the end. Hi everyone, today we'll be learning how to make soda soap the easiest way. All right, this is the empty bucket I want to use to soak our caustic soda. Now that we're going to measure, use this cup as our measurement. All right, so we're going to measure 6 cups of water using this cup. This is the same cup. That's what we are going to do. Okay, now watch me. Have you seen there's a line here in this cup? I'm just stopping at the line inside this cup. So we're going to measure this into 6 places, like 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now have you seen this? It's complete 6. This water is 6 cups of water using this cup. Okay, now the next thing to do is that we did the same cup, we'll measure our caustic soda, just 1 cup. All right, now the same cup, this is our caustic soda. I've already measured it out. This is the same cup, and look at where the caustic soda is. I did not fill it up because the water was not filled up. It was stopping at this line. If you look deep, see that there's a line here. That's where I was stopping the water. So the same thing you will do when you are measuring your caustic. The same thing, you stop at where you stopped your water. All right, so we're going to add this caustic soda inside our water. Okay, that is just it. So when we add it, we now stir it because we need it to cool off. Okay, this is our oil. All right, now this is palm kernel oil, the only palm kernel oil I have. Now this is my PKO. So I'm going to measure like 4 cups of oil for this production. So inside that 4 cups of oil, 1 cup is only palm oil. So the rest of the 3 is PKO, of course. So let's add 1 cup of palm oil. Okay, this is palm oil. Remember this, the total oil we are using is 4 cups of this, 4 cups of oil with this cup. So we've added 1, which the one we've added now is palm oil. Now this is PKO 2. Okay, so we're going to measure another 2 again to make it 4 cups. All right, look at my PKO I'm measuring from. remember the same quantity you use for water. Remember, use this cup for water. So the same place that your water stopped, that's where your oil will stop too. I told you there's a line inside this cup. That's where I'm stopping to measure our oil. Now this is what 3 cups of oil going in. Okay, so let's measure the last one. Remember, I said 4 cups of oil, of which 1 cup is palm oil. So the rest of the 3 is PKO. So that's just it. There's nothing difficult in it. That's why I'm making this video as beginner friendly as possible. So now this is the last cup to make it what 4 cups, the same cup measurement we use for water. That's what we use for oil. Take note. So let's start. So before we soap, remember this is 4 cups of oil, and this is our lye solution mixture. Remember the water for this was 6 cups and a cup of lye. Remember we use this cup. So before we start soap, we're going to measure out only 3 cups. We need only 3 cups of lye solution to make this production. So let's go. So the same cup now, we measure only 3 to soap. This is 1. This is 2. The reason why we are using only 3, so that when we unmold, we will not have excess lye on our soap. So that is it. And this is, so we'll now start. So we're going to cover it, okay, because the consistency needs to be thick, not watery. So cover it and allow it to cook. The heat from the lye solution will help it to cook. So let's check it. Okay, it has thickened a bit. Let's add our color. Add our oil. Let's cover it. Let's check it. After checking the second time, the butter is not giving what I want. So the next thing to do, okay, is to put it on fire for like 5 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes, not up to 10 minutes, so that the whole batter will combine together. Because you need this batter to be thick, not watery. So it has not gotten that thickness I need. That's why I have to put it on fire. So this is after like 5 to 6 minutes on fire. So everything is well combined. Just for you to scoop it and put inside a cup. You need help here. If you have someone that will help you, you really need help, so that the soap will not seize up on you. Yeah, because as the air is entering, to start drying up. So that is just it about soda soap making. So if you have watched at this point, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share my videos to your friends and family. When you do that, you're encouraging me to keep posting videos like this. Subscription is free. With just 20,000, you can even start this soda soap making, depending if it is on high demand where you are living, location you are living. Yeah, the method I will also teach you that with 1 liter you get like 20 to 30 pieces or more of this soda soap. I used to call it profit in soap making. So I have both online training and physical training. The choice is yours. So the number on the screen is my WhatsApp number. Please don't call me, just WhatsApp me. Okay, we'll get to business. So we're going to leave it for 24 hours to solidify before we unmold. So let's unmold. You want to unmold, do your hand like this. To come out. Everything is very easy. If you are producing this soap, you allow it to cure. Alright, allow it to cure. That means you produce in batches so that you not run out of soap. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe or share this video to your loved ones. See you in my next video.